We're here! So glad you could make it! Welcome back, Puentistas. This is English 1C, Critical Thinking. We'll get to engage with real-world issues. In this class, our inquiry will be centered around themes of literacy, education, composition, of course, and social justice themes. We will evaluate scholarly, non-scholarly, nonfiction, and some fiction texts, and my hope is that you'll learn to integrate multiple perspectives from these texts into your own writing. We'll continue to practice active reading as we did last semester, but with more gusto. And we'll get to engage with exciting texts with our brains and our hearts and our souls. On the program, we have two outstanding books, The Undocumented Americans by Carla Cornejo Villavicencio and Between the World and Me by Ta-Nehisi Coates. There are no tests here. Simply, you're going to be writing essays and you're going to be going through a series of assignments. Now, this course is intensive, so it may feel daunting at times, and it's going to require a great time commitment on your part, and I won't lie to you, it will be a lot of work. You will reflect and expand on your writing and reading practices and strategies, so you will become, if you do the work, you will become a better reader, a better writer, and a better thinker. Not only that, but you will be able to understand your own processes. The more understanding that you can have about your own process, as a reader, as a writer, as a thinker, the more you can control those processes. Like last semester, we're going to be writing our essays in multiple drafts. Essays 1 and 2 will be a persuasive essay on the first book and a rhetorical analysis on the two books, for which I will give you strict prompts to follow. But for essays 3 and 4, you will have a wide latitude of choice. With my approval, you will be selecting your own topics, issues that really matter to you, as long as they are real-world issues and have something to do with social justice. But basically, you're going to be writing whatever you want in essays 3 and 4. Of course, there will be a structure. Essay 3 is an argumentative paper with research, and Essay 4 is an iSearch paper, which is a kind of research paper, but it's a lot more fun. What I'd like you to do now is read the rest of this homepage and follow its instructions. You will find important announcements at the top of the page, so check the homepage each time that you visit our Canvas site. And after that, the best way to navigate this course is on the modules page. Other places on Canvas, like the dashboard, the to-do corner, the calendar, will only give you partial information at best. So stay on the modules page. And of course, come to class on campus. A word about the modules page. The assignments and the modules build upon each other, so you have to complete the modules sequentially. Don't skip items in the modules, or you may find yourself lost when you're trying to write your essays. And please complete the modules on time. You don't want to lag behind, trust me. But if you do fall behind with your work, please talk to me, and together we can come up with a plan for you. But despite whatever I've said about the workload, this class will be well worth your while, I promise you. I look forward to working with all of you once again. If you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email. And what do you say? Shall we get started? I don't know about you, but I can't wait. See you real soon.